And finally, welcome back to another video. It has been ages. In fact, as of recording this video, it's been like just over 2 months, I think like 62 days since I last posted. Really sorry for that. I have tried to comment back to all of you guys who have commented. Quite loads of people have been commenting on my Instagram and on here, asking if everything's okay, where have I been. I'm okay, everything's fine. I did go down with a bit of a cold. It wasn't COVID, I tested negative. Just like a stinking cold and still slightly getting over it now. But yeah, just had a few life changes and also got a new job, kind of. Still working for the same company, just doing a different job role, and that's taken up loads of my hours now. So not quite got as much free time as I did, but more money. I just wanted to put this video out first. There was a video I was supposed to put out, I think it was like last week, and didn't really like the content. I'm going to try, and there was 2 videos. I've done like a pod filter air intake and my handbrake snapped. But I'm going to try and see if I can make them one video, because I didn't really like the way that they were filmed. They were sort of a bit rushed. And straight after this video, I'm going to be recording another one because it's my MOT tomorrow. So I've got a few bits and bobs I want to get done. And yeah, I'll show you that in the next video, which will be, for me, like 10 minutes time. And there will be a video coming out on these guys, Max Pedon rods. Very light box, because I took it out. But quite looking forward to that video. Thank you very much to the guys over at Max Pedon rods for sponsoring the video. But that'll be its own little standalone one. I think there's a picture on my Instagram. Not sure. Go over and check it out. And if you do want to talk to me, best place to talk to me is over on my Instagram. All the details are down below in the description. But yeah, this was just a quick hello, I'm okay. Thank you for sending me the kind messages. I am okay, everything's fine, just been extremely busy. But I'm back. I do have a few ideas for videos, like wild camping. There's a few van tours now that the world's starting to slightly open up a bit better. I want to do a few van tours on a few people. And just, yeah, try and get some more videos done. But like I said, thank you very much everybody who sent me those messages. Everything's good. Hopefully you guys are all well and safe. Please let me know. Put it down in that comment section down below. But yeah, let's get back into it. Anyway, I'm going to get myself gone. I'm going to start getting these MOT things done. Tune into the next video to see whether I pass or fail. Probably going to fail. But we'll find out together. And yeah, thank you very much for tuning in. Thank you very much for all the kind messages. Thank you very much for being awesome. And as always, take it easy, guys.